Have you ever wondered how your smartphone is made? From design to your pocket, the journey of your smartphone involves a complex process of engineering. This tiny device you hold is the result of the collaborative efforts of different types of engineers, such as communication engineers, embedded engineers, and software engineers. They work together to transform an idea into a tangible product. In the next few minutes, we will take a deep dive into the world of smartphone manufacturing. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this fascinating journey. Let's start with the role of communication engineers in the smartphone manufacturing process. These tech wizards are the backbone of your phone's ability to connect and communicate, a feature we so heavily rely on in our daily lives. Communication engineers design and optimize the communication subsystem of a smartphone. This subsystem is a crucial component, enabling your phone to connect to cellular networks, link up to Wi-Fi, or pair with other devices via Bluetooth. They ensure that your phone can seamlessly switch between these modes of communication, providing you with an uninterrupted connection to the digital world. Now, a key concept that communication engineers work with is VLSI, or Very Large-Scale Integration. This is a process where thousands of transistors are integrated or embedded onto a single silicon semiconductor microchip. This chip is what powers your phone's communication subsystem. The VLSI process enables the creation of complex and compact circuits, which are crucial in making our smartphones slim and portable. The work of communication engineers goes beyond just designing. They also have to continuously test and optimize these systems to ensure they are efficient, reliable, and secure. They are the ones who make sure your phone calls don't drop, your Wi-Fi doesn't lag, and your Bluetooth connection doesn't falter. Thus, communication engineers play a pivotal role in ensuring your phone can connect to the world. Next, we come to the role of embedded engineers. These are the unsung heroes who work behind the scenes, designing and integrating the various hardware components of a smartphone. Embedded engineers are pivotal in creating the physical aspects of a phone that we often take for granted. They work with sensors, processors, memory, and other key components, ensuring that these parts work together in harmony. Imagine a symphony orchestra with all its diverse instruments. The embedded engineer is like the conductor, ensuring that every part plays its role at the right time and in the right way. They work closely with Very Large-Scale Integration, or VLSI technology, which is the process of creating an integrated circuit by combining thousands of transistors into a single chip. This is what makes our smartphones so compact yet incredibly powerful. Embedded engineers also play a crucial role in designing the embedded software that runs these components. This includes writing code that controls the phone's interactions with its environment, such as how it responds to a touch on the screen or a swipe across the display. Their work doesn't stop there. Once the design and integration are complete, they test the hardware and software, troubleshoot any issues, and optimize the system for performance and power consumption. Embedded engineers truly breathe life into our smartphones, transforming a collection of electronic components into a device that connects, informs, and entertains us. So, the next time your phone responds to a touch or a swipe, remember, it's the work of an embedded engineer. Finally, let's look at the role of software engineers. These are the wizards who breathe life into the smartphone, transforming it from a mere piece of hardware into an interactive device that we use every day. Software engineers are responsible for creating the operating system of the smartphone. This is the software that controls all the basic operations of the phone, like managing memory, processing tasks, and interacting with the hardware. It's like the brain of the phone, coordinating all its activities. Beside the operating system, software engineers also develop the applications that we use to perform specific tasks. Whether it's a music app that plays your favorite tunes, a messaging app that lets you communicate with your friends, or a fitness app that tracks your workouts, these are all created by software engineers. They design, code, test, and finally integrate these applications into the smartphone. But that's not all. One of the most critical tasks of software engineers is designing the user interface. This is what you see on the screen when you use your phone. It's how you interact with the device, how you navigate between apps, how you input data. The user interface needs to be intuitive and user-friendly, and designing it requires a deep understanding of human behavior. Therefore, software engineers bring life to the smartphone, making it more than just a piece of hardware. They ensure smooth interaction between the user and the device, making our smartphones so much more than just phones. They make them smart. So, That's a simplified breakdown of how a smartphone is made. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of smartphone manufacturing, from concept to creation. It's a world where the roles of communication engineers, embedded engineers, and software engineers intersect and intertwine. Each role is essential, each role distinct, yet they all work together in harmony to bring you the device that fits so seamlessly into your daily life. Let's revisit the role of communication engineers. They're the ones who ensure that your phone can connect to networks, send messages, and make calls. They deal with the intricate details of radio frequency design and communication protocols. It is through their expertise that your smartphone can be part of the global network, allowing you to connect with anyone, anywhere, anytime. Then we have the embedded engineers. These are the magicians who work with hardware and software to create the heart of your device, the central processing unit. They ensure that your smartphone can perform numerous tasks efficiently and effectively. From playing your favorite game to sending an important email, the smooth operation of these tasks is a testament to the hard work of embedded engineers. And let's not forget the software engineers. They are the architects of the operating system, the builders of applications that make your smartphone truly smart. They make sure that you can navigate through your phone with ease, that your apps run smoothly, and that your phone's interface is intuitive and user-friendly. So the next time you pick up your smartphone, remember the complexity and interdependence of these roles. Every scroll, every tap, every call is the result of countless hours of work by a team of dedicated engineers. Remember, every time you use your smartphone, you are experiencing the combined effort of a team of talented engineers. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel. This is interesting.